There is goodness, we provide shelter. Where there is anguish, we try as much as possible to bring joy. Where there is acute marginalization, we try to bring in inclusion. We have come that this gospel may nourish the souls of those without hope. They may nourish the hopes and the souls of those of them with nobody to turn to apart from thee. Don't turn us away in your anger. We have fallen short, of course, because we are sinful. We are born of flesh, and we have to be. But due to your mercy, you lifted us up. You cleansed us. You made us whole once again. And we are here to preach this gospel, that your name and your name alone will be praised. That Biafra will come in the end. That everything that lives on the surface of this very planet will look towards the east until we can see the goodness of this dear God. We can see his holiness. We can see his might and his strength. Because even if the whole world were to conspire against your creation, you are creation yourself. You will prevail against them. Come and fight for us, because we cannot fight. Come and drive away the enemies of your children, because they outnumber us. Come and restore your inheritance. Make us the guardians of your inheritance. We know who you are. We know the name that even the angels that surround you right now, what they call you. We know how they worship you. We know that very well. At the end, only you and you alone will accept every of our prayer. Anytime we bend down on our bended knees to pray to you, anytime we lift up our hands in prayer or in praise, anytime we cry for joy or in pain and anguish, because we are seeking one favor or the other before you. China, we are there.
Thank you, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. It depends on your location and where you'll be getting this video from. Today, this evening, we are going to really push hard on the Finland government, because I want the Finnish government. We are going to start with this, but please, before we start now. Many of you guys watch our videos, watch everything we do, but you doesn't subscribe to our channel. Please go to subscription button and subscribe, and then drop your comment, and subscribe to our channel, so that it will enable other people to be able to be seeing our videos. So we'll be helping our channel to be going more further. Please, as you are doing that, I say may God bless you. So let's move so fast from here. I want the Finnish government to listen to this, because we have to tell the Finnish government, about what they are doing they are not doing what, if they are really doing what justice is all about, they should listen here, because of this is Nigerian government. This is what Nigerian government is doing.
I say so. And when I was there,
let's start. This is from their channel television. This is Sahara Reporter. Listen, this is a member of a politicians. He's not going to tell us, listen, because I want this message to go to Finland government. Because of why I'm doing this, I want the Finland government to know that whom they are holding is a good man. Is somebody who, Simon Ekpa is somebody who wants something good for his people. He's not somebody who is doing the other way around. No, he needs something good for his people. That country called Nigeria. We want the Finland people to hear this and hear this well. The country called Nigeria, you cannot support Nigeria, Finnish government. You can't support Nigeria for no reason. Simon Ekpa must be free. You have to free Simon Ekpa, no matter whatever that happens. Simon Ekpa must be free, because there is a lot of corruption going into that country called Nigeria. A lot is very, very heavily, fantastically corrupt nation called Nigeria. A state called Nigeria is a very fantastical corrupt. Just listen here so that you know what is going on. For Finland government to know what we are crying for. So if they know all this, they want us to live like a normal human being. And if they know that there is something that is called justice, equity, and fairness, Simon Ekpa must be released for that to reign. Listen.
And I said, call the general to give you more brief. In fact, what is happening or what really happened in that part of the country was exactly what the general told me was going to happen. Because these guys have been weaponized by the illegal big men who deploy them, secure territories, and the weapon is meant to protect the Chinese and other foreigners who they actually employ to carry out the mining. And on occasion, they use the same weapon to carry out banditry, kidnapping, and all of the terrible things that are going on. Chief of Committee Chairman of Defense Staff, tell the defense I said so. And that some retired military officers, army officers are involved in it. The day we
Finnish government, retired military officers, army, they are involved in this thing that this man is explaining. And many of them are like somebody like this Musa that is running up and down, bringing forged documents to you, to the Finnish government. Listen, this is not made up from me. Listen, this is of government official saying this with his mouth.
can't tell the truth, this country cannot flourish.
Okay.
We can't change when it affects our people, we are at our best. We talk strong. Some other people appear to be above the law. That is what is going on with solid mineral. It is not that we don't know where it is. We have a whole survey.
I want to ask Finnish government, in your country, is that anybody who is above the law? And I want to ask Finnish government, which kind of law do you practice? Do you have secular law in one side of the country and do you have Sharia law in one side of the country? That's my question to Finnish government. Listen.
Of where we have what across the length and breadth of Nigeria. We also know, everybody complaining about certain people from certain nationalities. How they got here, even as we are talking now, they are doing those illegal mining.
Okay.
And those guys are getting richer when Nigeria states are getting poorer. But we carry the consequences of banditry, kidnapping, and that they wish this on illegal armed men, which they equip. Sir, who can afford to buy a chopper to land in an illegal mining site? Cut away.
Finnish government, you are hearing what this man is saying. He's not giving you an example. Who is not going to buy a chopper? A chopper is just a bicycle to go to where they are doing illegal mining site, to cut away gold, cut all the gold and take it to the airport and they fly without no problem. Is it an individual? So this is a country that Finland, you are supporting this impunity. It's really bad. If you can support this, listen.
And then on the way to airport, bam, take them out of the country. This is happening.
Okay.
So I agree with you, but my position is that we shouldn't, as senators, be lamenting. As senator, we should fix the problem.
Okay.
We should tell the executive, you must deploy exactly the same force that you deploy against illegal oil buckling. That same force should be deployed.
Do you know why this thing that he's saying cannot happen? Because of the same people who is going to deploy those forces are the one doing the mining. In a country, how can in a country nothing good comes out of that place called Nigeria? Nothing good comes out there. Look at what comes out. Look at the report that comes out. Where you see the Nkari first or the Nkari second is where you see anything bad. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the drug lord, who is now the president, Finnish government, did you see that report that came out about this man? The most corrupt entity they have, Bola Ahmed Tinubu. He was the most corrupt man. He given Kenya president number one, he just like let it be. But this man is more than number one. This Bola Ahmed Tinubu, they went to give the number second position in a corrupt system. Look at what this man is saying. Tell me, is it someone like me now? We go to mining site and take gold and load gold and go to the airport and travel freely without no issues. An individual like me, how can that happen? This is a society that Finland, you people are supporting us to be inside. How can? How can? But you provide a good society for your people that can work for your people, that can drive for your people. This is what we are crying for. This is what we are calling for. We need a society where things can work perfectly. That is what Simon Ekpa is talking about. Nothing more, nothing less. That is what Mazen Nandekalo is talking about. Nothing more, nothing less. That is what me, I am here talking about. Nothing more, nothing less. The same way you are living in your country in Finland. The same way we are living in abroad. We need the same life, not corruption. These governments are so heavily corrupt. Nigerian government, they are so heavily corrupt. How many drop of oil or gas are you, Finland country, you are going to get, but to impoverish humanity? Our leader, Mazen Nandekalo, have told the world openly. He said that if it's the oil and the gas, come and take it for free. What we need is what? Freedom. Let us live like a normal human being. Nothing more, nothing less. If it's the oil and gas, take it. We don't need it. But let's have freedom as a people. Let's organize ourselves as a people so we can use what we call brain economy. We can use our brain to develop our system. We don't believe in this oil and gas. We want to develop on our own. We want to live the way you live in Finland. We want to live the way other countries in Europeans are living. That is our cry, nothing more. That is what we are telling Finnish government. Let them release Mazi Simon Ekpa Njoko. He's the good man. He's the good man. You can't. If Finland say that you stand for justice and equity and fairness, you can't really do that. You can't do that. And I'm using this opportunity to call our Dr. Ngozi Orabueze. I use this opportunity. I know that you are trying your best, but I want Dr. Ngozi Orabueze. You say that Orabueze, Orabueze. And the same way Igbo say Igwebike and Ora Bueze. We need to put more pressure on the Finnish government. If it's protest we are going to do, we have to start doing something. Let them know that what you are holding is just like, let me hold this person. No. You are holding lives of millions. Look at what is going on in that country. Kidnapping is rampant now. Since they took out Simon Ekpa out of the way, they have kidnappers everywhere. They have banditry everywhere. They have everything is going there. Blood everywhere. This is not what we want to see. We want to live in an environment that we will have peace and we have rest. We provide job for our people. We provide job for the youth. We provide job for men and women. We provide good environment. We provide light. We provide good road. We provide stable water. We provide airport. We provide everything, the whole facilities you have in your country where justice can be driven, not where group of people will be calling themselves cabals and be oppressing the rest. In a government that doesn't have fear of the people they are governing, you know that government is a fair government. When you don't have fear of the people that give you the mandate, that government is a fair government. That shows there is no democracy there. That shows that it's a failed state. Nigerian government as a country, Nigerian government doesn't fear the citizens because of they don't care about them. That is why you see them, they are doing what they are doing. They can board to people because of oil and gas. No. What we are asking for is justice. We want justice, equity, and fairness. We want to develop, we want to have an environment where we can attract investors to come and invest in our society so that our youth, our men and women will have jobs. They can't be living the way we are living now. Is very bad. We are rampant all over the Europe, all over the world. We want to go back home to our land. God-given land. We want to go back and develop our land. That is why our leader, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, is languishing in DSS dungeon. That now, you people say it's Simon Ekpa, you have taken him out of the way. Look at what exactly is going on. Finnish government. I hope you people are seeing what is going on there. That is a heavily corrupt country called Nigeria. Please, you have to let Simon Ekpa go. Let justice reign. What we need is open justice, equal right and justice. That is what we are asked for. Please, let this video go. Please, anybody that get this video, make this video to go viral, to get to the Finnish government, to make sure that this video go direct to the handles of the people that needed to be reached to. Please, as you are doing that, I say may God bless you. Please subscribe to our channel. This is USB Gospel. Subscribe to our channel so that you can help our channel. You can help us and improve our channel so that our channel will be growing more. As you are doing that, I say may God bless you. From me, from here, is good evening.